Shine bright up all night whenever.
Hello everyone, this tutorial is on a quick and easy halo eyeshadow look, pink silver halo eyeshadow look. If you're wearing a pink and silver combined color attire, then give this eyeshadow look a try. It's a beginner friendly tutorial. You will be able to achieve it very easily. If you want to know, then please continue watching. As my makeup palette, I'm using Mask palette and I'm picking this brown eyeshadow. I'm using a flat fluffy brush and packing it on my crease. Hold the brush very lightly when you're depositing it on crease for smokiness to appear. I'm packing the same eyeshadow on my outer V and inner corner. Next I'm picking pink eyeshadow. This is a very pigmented pink eyeshadow in the palette. I'm applying on my outer and inner corners. Dust the brush after you pack on the inner and the outer corner and begin blending the eyeshadow with the first eyeshadow. The eyeshadow fades when you blend it. I'm reapplying again on my inner and outer corner. Turn the brush slant to sharpen the outer V edge and begin blending back again. Hold the brush very lightly when you're blending it. Next I'm using black eyeshadow to intensify my outer and inner corners. Take a very less amount. Black is a very pigmented eyeshadow, so you'll have to be very careful when you're packing black eyeshadow. Just pat little and begin blending it, moving the brush in circular motion. Next I'm using liquid eyeshadow here to make it a halo eyeshadow look. I'm using liquid eyeshadow from Color Gel. Affordable and pigmented liquid eyeshadow. Be very careful when you are applying. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. Now push it here towards the inner corner to blend it with the inner corner. Next I'm using a shimmery pink eyeshadow beside the matte pink eyeshadow, this one, and applying it here to blend the liquid eyeshadow with the pink eyeshadow. I'm using a shimmery eyeshadow to blend it with the matte pink eyeshadow. Next I'm using Insight eyeliner and creating winged eyeliner. I'm using a very affordable eyeliner. Link to this product is in the description box below. If you're searching for an affordable and a very good eyeliner, please check the description box below. You'll find links to all the other products used in the tutorial. After creating winged eyeliner, I would be creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye and your eye look seems very beautiful after creating pointed inner corner. Pull it downwards, then take it inwards and make sure that the point that you're pulling outwards should be sharp. I'm coating kajal on my waterline next. After this, I'm using navy blue eyeshadow to smudge kajal on my lower lash line. Seems like black eyeshadow, it's deep navy blue and it was available in the palette, hence I picked the navy blue eyeshadow to smudge on the lower lash line. It seems like black but it's navy blue. I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Coat mascara well on your eyelashes to intensify your eyelashes, upper and lower lashes. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this tutorial, then do hit the subscribe button for more such tutorials, and if you have any doubt, please write them down in the comment box below. I'll reply to the queries you put forward before me to the earliest. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye people.